In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add adjustment layer in Capcut. Adjustment layers are the easiest way to apply the same color and lighting tweaks across one clip or an entire sequence without permanently changing your original footage. They sit on their own track above your video, so you can edit them at any time or turn them off to compare before and after. First, open Capcut and jump into your project. If you're starting fresh, create a new one and confirm your aspect ratio so the canvas matches your final output. Once the editor loads, you're ready for the timeline. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to work on and drag it onto the timeline. Make sure it's on the primary video track and that you can see the clip clearly in the preview. If you have multiple clips, arrange them in order now so the adjustment layer can cover exactly what you need. Now, click on Custom Adjustment. Depending on your version of Capcut, you'll find this under the Adjustment or Color panel in the toolbar. Choose Custom Adjustment, and Capcut will create an adjustment layer above your clip. Think of it as a transparent sheet that carries your color settings. If the layer is shorter than your clip, drag its edges so it spans the full duration you want to affect, or position it only over specific moments for targeted looks. Finally, make your adjustments. Start with exposure to control overall brightness, then fine-tune contrast for punch. Use highlights and shadows to balance bright skies and dark areas, and adjust saturation to decide how vivid the colors should feel. Temperature and tint help you warm up or cool down the scene. Small moves here go a long way. If needed, a touch of sharpness can add clarity, while a subtle vignette can guide attention toward the center. Keep changes incremental and preview often. Toggle the layer's visibility to compare before and after, and rename the layer to keep your timeline organized if you plan to stack different looks. Because this is non-destructive, you can always revisit the layer later, duplicate it for variations, or lower its opacity to soften the effect. That's it. You've opened Capcut, added your video, clicked Custom Adjustment, and made your tweaks on an adjustment layer for clean, flexible color control. Play back the timeline to see the adjustments in motion and fine-tune until it matches your creative intent. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.